You just landed in China. No Google, no WhatsApp. Can't even buy a bottle of water. No worries, I've got you. Let's fix this before you take off. Thinking about Tokyo or Kyoto? Japan is becoming a most common cliche that everybody goes, and it's overcrowded. Why not try China instead? With latest visa-free policy, it's easier than ever to visit. So you are coming to China for the first time. Welcome, but let me guess. You just landed without Alipay, local SIM card, and everything you used to like Google Map, WhatsApp, IG, they're not working, and you are freaking out. One of my friends experienced this back in 2017 without knowing anything about China. Luckily, he has a friend who helped him all the way through his trip in China. Otherwise, he couldn't do anything about it. Also, I saw a lot of YouTubers in China that encountered these and that problems.
It's such a difficult country. I don't have a SIM card. I pay this man.
No.
So, as an overseas Chinese, I decided to make this video to help all of you guys. In this video, I will walk through everything you guys need to set up before you go China. From payment, eSIM, local SIM card, public transportation, translation app, and VPN. Let's make your first day smooth and stress-free. China runs on mobile payment everywhere, literally. Cash is almost useless now. It's harder to find somewhere using cash than see a landline in China 2025. Your Master and Visa card works somewhere like big shopping malls, but onto the street and the restaurant. Most of them won't accept it. Myself once directly tried with Visa but come back with hundreds shaking head. To pay for anything like a bottle of water, subway ticket, or dinner, you will need to use Alipay or WeChat Pay. Download the international version of either app from App Store or Google Play. For most tourists, Alipay is easier to set up. Open the app, sign up with your passport, link your MasterCard or Visa card. Done, you're ready to go. WeChat Pay may ask a Chinese friend to verify your account, hotel stuff, or a local might be able to help. Set it up before your trip if possible, using Wi-Fi abroad. The moment you land, get a local SIM card. Maybe other people will recommend this directly, but based on my experience, eSIMs are much easier. In 2023, I visited back in China, so I chose Nomad with a 20 gigabits plan. It ran out so fast. Last year, when I visited back, I chose Holafly instead. To be clear, I'm just a freshman who only posts my second video here. I speak only based on my experience. No sponsor would know me. Back to conclusion, I really recommend Holafly. It offers unlimited data. It's a huge plus for travelers, which you don't have to worry to top up again during the time when your data is running out. Holafly works without needing a physical ID or local pickup, and it can be active before landing. So what about physical SIMs? Are they not useful? They're usually more stable and compatible with the local apps. And one more thing is really important. You will have a Chinese number, and that is really useful in most of the Chinese apps. They require SMS verification during the time login or register. With the local SIM card, you can easily receive this code, make setup easier. I recommend SIM card if you stay a little bit longer in China. So if you need physical SIMs, find the SIM card vendor after your arrival in the airport. Tell them you need a tourist SIM card. Usually valid from 7 to 30 days, with plenty of data. At the airport, most major international airports in China like Beijing Capital, Shanghai Pudong, Guangzhou Baiyun have SIM card counters in the arrival designed for the foreign visitors. In the city, if you miss the airport option, visit a local China Mobile, China Unicom, or China Telecom store downtown. Prepare required documents, valid passport, visa information. Some regions may also require your valid visa details. Proof of address. Certain stores might ask a proof of local address, like your hotel booking. You want a free survival guide in China? Just check the description, leave your email, and I will send it to you. You might ask, do you need a VPN in China? I'd say it depends. If you are using eSIMs, you can skip it. But if you already decide to use a local SIM card, if you want to use Google, WhatsApp, IG, Gmail, pretty much everything international, you will need it. You must install and subscribe before your arrival to China. Otherwise, you could end up only to use WeChat or Red Note to contact your friend and family back home, if your friends and family downloaded them. Top VPNs that still work well in China: Let's VPN, Astral, Surfshark. Avoid free VPNs, they're usually unreliable and often blocked. Test your VPN before your trip, make sure it works smoothly. You can download Google Translate language packs in advance. In order to use offline, especially if mobile data is limited or blocked, don't try to use Google Maps, it's not reliable in China. Are you planning to go to counter to buy the ticket of public transport? In China, you don't have to do this. To ride a bus or metro easily in the city, you can set up a public transit card in Alipay or WeChat Pay. In Alipay, first, you need to search the transport card. Select your city, for example, Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, or somewhere else, and follow the steps to activate, and your card is connected to your Ali WeChat account. Fees will directly deduct from it. Then you are free to go. Everywhere you just need to scan the QR code before the metro gate or on the bus. By the way, do you know Didi is the Chinese version of Uber? Do download it as well. If you are planning to drive in China, do you know you can apply a temporary driving license directly in the airport? At most of the airport, there is a traffic police service desk at the international arrival area where foreign travelers can apply for temporary Chinese driver license. You will need a valid passport and visa or resident permit. Second, your original foreign driver license. Third, a certificate Chinese translation of the license. 2 1-inch white background passport photos. Temporary accommodation registration form. Download and set them up before you arrive. You will also undergo a quick medical check, usually on site, and no written test is required. The whole process can be done in hours. This license is perfect for short-term use and renting cars while traveling. Another tip: in China, we drive in the right side. Here is your must-have app checklist if you want smooth travel in China. Before we wrap up, here are some simple but useful survival tips during the time traveling in China. Don't be shocked if you see someone spit in public with the sound. Most Chinese people also agree it's not a good habit. And to be honest, it's become much rare to see in big cities. But you might still spot in more traditional or rural areas. Just stay cool and carry on. Always keep your passport with you. Many places will ask for it, especially hotels, SIM card registration, and train stations. You are rushing to a public toilet, and then there's no toilet paper. Always carry tissues or toilet paper, in case there's no. Squat toilet everywhere? Welcome to China. If you are looking for a sit-down toilet, go for accessible. They are the only one you can count on. It's 35 degrees, and you see a local uncle roll up his t-shirt to cool off his belly. Don't stare, or do, and maybe ask for a selfie. He probably wouldn't mind. In some tourist spot, especially if you look different, they might want to take selfie with you. Don't get panic, they are simply out of curiosity. It's time to imagine yourself as a celebrity. Learn some Mandarin phrases. 你好,谢谢,不要. So now you're ready to explore China without fear of tech breakdowns or panic. You want a free survival guide in China? Just check the description, leave your email, and I will send it to you. If you found this video useful, give me a thumb up, subscribe, and if you have some questions to ask, feel free to drop in the comments. I will answer your question or even make a part 2. It's Zislands.